Hi everyone, welcome sa akong vlog. Today I'm going to share my personal experience while living in that era. So unsa ko paggamit sa technology everyday and unsa iyang impact sa akong life. So honestly, dako kayo ang impact or ang roles technology sa akong pagdako from using phones, laptops, internet. So almost tanan kay digital naman ta karon. So if na assignment or research dili ra kayo kay mo search lang ka online. Maka-access ko og information anytime, anywhere which is super helpful sa school o daily life. So karon nga IT era naman ta, so mas napadali ang atong communication. Like communication is way easier through social media like Facebook, Messenger, o TikTok. So makakonek ko with my friends, family bisan layo sila. So before lisod ang long distance communication. Pero karon nga one click away na lang ta. So it really helps me to stay updated sa mga tao ug sa news around the world. So ma-update ta no bisan pag layo ta, as long as with the help of social media maka-access ta. So during online classes, so nakaton ko og gamit sa mga application, mga platforms like Google Classroom, Zoom, Canva, ug uban pa. So these skills kay importante kayo especially karon nga halos tanan trabaho kay nag-require sila og basic computer skills. So technology also taught me to be more independent and resourceful kay kinahanglan sad nako ma-adjust o mangitag way to learn on how to learn. So pero dili tanang perfect na ay mga challenges like slow internet, distraction sa social media, and pressure nga permi online. So usahay dili ko makapokus kay daghan kayo temptation like scrolling sa Facebook or anything platform or watching videos, but I try to manage my time and learn how to use technology in the right way. So living in that era has shaped me into someone more connected, like knowledgeable, and bisan na kay challenges mas daghan gyud og opportunities to learn, to grow, and to explore new things in life. So technology is not perfect, pero kung sakto na to paggamit, it becomes more powerful tool para sa success nato as a tao. So that's all for today. Salamat kayo sa pagtan-aw ug pagpaminaw sa akong personal experience diri sa IT era. Thank you and God bless.